Today I'm going to show you a quick way to treat your synthesizer basses in a drum and bass track. We'll open a compressor and let's take away about 18 dB. We'll boost the makeup gain a little bit. We're going to load EQ8 and we'll enable high pass and low pass filter. We'll leave the high pass at 30 Hz for now. We'll set our low pass to 7.5K. Then we're going to load up UAD's Brigade chorus. Let's listen to it. Before, after, and there you have it. Try it and let me know what you think.